Earlier, we discussed about the plot of The Wondrous Life of Oscar Wu by Junot Diaz. So now, we will criticize each elements of the story. So, the first one is the theme. The theme of the story is family love because of longingness of Oscar to be loved by his family and the acceptance on himself as an overweight, brown-skinned, and nerdy boy. Oscar struggles to find a sense of love and belongingness in the society that either ignores or outragingly rejects him. This struggle is compounded by his family's traumatic history in the Dominican Republic. The story is dark and ironic because Yunor's narrative speculates that a curse has followed the De Leon and Cabral family through multiple generations. During the period, the family has suffered tremendous pain and loss, the accumulation of which gives the novel a dark, tragic tone, yet Tuner's storytelling style also has a relevant sense of humor that brings a hint of bitter irony to the novel's darkness and his difficulties to find a woman who will love him. And for the approach, feminist literary criticism used the irony of Dominican culture that show danger of hyper-masculinity and show gender roles lead into the character's downfall. And the center of the story evolved on different women who didn't reciprocate his feeling and to his mother and sister that experienced Fuku curse. Fuku curse is a symbol of the harm caused by slavery is prominent in the novel. Second criticism is historical criticism. It also tells the story of painful challenges that Oscar family experienced, the violence and slavery they got in the hand of Trujillo's regimes. There's no controversial in novel. Uh, Not major controversial because it's a language use is the readers said that the language use is too direct and inappropriate to the readers and full of violence. The controversy is for Junot Diaz, which is the writer of the book. The controversy is that he was accused of sexual harassment by Sensei Clemons and an author who said that Diaz cornered her in the stairwell and forcefully kissed her. Diaz refused the accusations. The allegation came at a moment when society was reckoning with how to respond on allegation of sexual harassment. After a month or long investigation into allegation of sexual misconduct and verbal abuse, after the scandal had been set off, Diaz acknowledged some inappropriate behavior without addressing any of the specific accusation. His story embodies some of the unresolved question of the last decade. In particular, how writers, readers, and citizens should react to unproven allegations. So, in short, the controversy about Diaz harassment to Zizen Clemons are not official or not uh, he's not guilty about the accusation.